the endless beauty of nature, a source of inspiration and wonder. Nature has always been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and poets. Its endless beauty and awe-inspiring wonders have captivated the hearts and minds of people for centuries. From the majestic mountains to the serene lakes, from the colorful flowers to the breathtaking sunsets, nature never fails to amaze us with its splendor and magnificence. Hi, I am Bella, and in this essay, I will explore the endless beauty of nature and how it inspires us to appreciate the world around us and live our lives to the fullest. The beauty of nature is truly endless. It is a constant reminder of the wonders of the world and the intricate balance of life. From the smallest blade of grass to the tallest tree, from the tiniest insect to the largest animal, nature is a testament to the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. The sheer variety of landscapes, ecosystems, and creatures that exist in nature is a testament to the boundless creativity of the natural world. One of the most inspiring aspects of nature is its ability to evoke a sense of wonder and awe in us. When we stand at the edge of a cliff and look out at the vast expanse of the ocean, or when we hike through a dense forest and come across a hidden waterfall, we are reminded of the sheer power and beauty of nature. These moments of awe inspire us to appreciate the world around us and to seek out new experiences that will enrich our lives. Nature also has a way of connecting us to something greater than ourselves. When we immerse ourselves in nature, we are reminded of our place in the world and our interconnectedness with all living things. The beauty of nature also has a profound effect on our emotions. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can have a positive impact on our mental health, reducing stress and anxiety and improving our overall sense of well-being. In addition to its emotional impact, the beauty of nature also serves as a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and poets. Countless works of art, literature, and music have been inspired by the natural world, capturing its beauty and majesty in ways that words alone cannot express. The endless beauty of nature also inspires us to take action to protect and preserve the natural world. When we witness the destruction of natural habitats or the extinction of species, we are reminded of the fragility of the natural world and the urgent need to take steps to conserve it for future generations. In conclusion, the endless beauty of nature, is a source of inspiration and wonder that has captivated humanity for centuries. Its boundless diversity, awe-inspiring wonders, and emotional impact remind us of our place in the world and inspire us to appreciate the world around us. Nature's beauty serves as a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and poets, and motivates us to take action to protect and preserve the natural world.